Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to select all items. So for example, I have all these screenshots I want to delete. What I want to do on my keyboard is first go to the picture or the item, wherever you want to delete, and select it just like this. And once it's highlighted, go to your keyboard and hit Ctrl, and then do A. And you can see it highlighted everything. And now we can decide if we want to move these, copy it, or delete them. So I'm going to hit Ctrl A on my keyboard, and then I can go to delete right here on the top. And it says, do you want to delete these? Let's go ahead and delete them. And now they're going to be sent to my recycling bin right here. And then if we have a lot of information, everything's not deleted quite yet. We want to go to a recycling bin, hit right click on it, and go to empty recycling bin. And then we can also click in here and we can see everything that's deleted. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.